Good morning, everybody. It's early, not too early. It's actually later than my usual. And I brought a hat today to protect me from the sun. I'm pretty tired. It was a long first week back at work. And yeah, it was a lot. So I'm excited to go for a surf. And see the friends out there. I think a couple other friends I haven't seen in a while are gonna be out there. Waves are, I don't know, waves last night. I came out for a sunset surf. It wasn't the best. Had higher expectations. The report was showing that it was gonna be amazing, and it just wasn't. The tide was too high. The waves were kind of bumping back, and I had a drone guy out there. Thanks, Miles. Shout out. And yeah, it was just looking like a kook out there. So I'm kind of excited, kind of, I don't know, indifferent about seeing those videos. I wasn't really surfing my best. But it's gonna be cool to see the drone perspective. So I'm excited about that. It's a little bit windy today. Tide is about 0.2 right now, which is good. But cross shore winds, so I don't like seeing that on there. But we'll see how things go. Nonetheless, it's gonna be a great day of surfing. And thank you all. I just need to say thank you. I haven't said thank you to my YouTube, my new subscribers. We're over 400. And I think I have to make 500 and like X amount of views, which I don't know if I'm anywhere near close, but to start monetizing, which is gonna be a cool milestone if I make it. Thank you guys for subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing all your good vibes. They mean a lot to me, and it's cool. Okay, looks like the waves are coming in. I kind of wish I put my hat on before it got wet, but I was trying to let the hair fall down and look cute, and then now here I am looking crazy. So the hat's going on, hair is getting pulled back so that I can protect my face. If there are any hat sponsors out there that want to, you know, help support, hit me up. Any bikini sponsors, any sunscreen, any surf, anything, honestly, jewelry maybe. Okay, now I'm just getting a little crazy, huh? Pushing it. I just went right over a turtle. Ah! Waves are coming. Looking a little crumbly out here. Ambitious. Getting glassier. Nice. Nice. There's that. down. Not too shabby, not too shabby. Okay, the strategy is to get people to wave or shaka. I know, just made it out. Look at Lila. I like the yellow. That looks really good. Oh my god. Super fun. Oh my god, I know, I was like, oh shoot, I hope I don't go down. I did. Sketchy maneuvers. There he goes. Fun. First wave down, I didn't think I was gonna get that. And then it just picked up, and I did. And everyone saw me, so it's even better. I'm excited. Maybe this next one. Maybe not. Trying to get a good takeoff. Me too. 2 for 2. Oh, I know. Were you recording on yours?
I wish I could see it. Yeah. But he got it too.
Oh, he did?
Yeah.
He got me?
By.
Oh, he got you.
Me.
Okay. Damn it! I was hoping for better waves, and
when we
I was gonna say, I have marks under my arms.
oh yeah.
Oh, my shirt. I tried out everything to keep the rough from happening, but I'm going out here. I mean, I go for everything. So
Oh yeah.
Wait,
Yes.
you couldn't surf for a while.
Well, we're like leaving alone.
heard that girl, like,
Who's gonna get it? Nobody. Get it, Lena. Paddle hard. Paddle hard.